want to share about my favorite toy and what I hope future toys will be like. My favorite toys are puzzles. I love them because they are so much fun to play with. I dream that one day puzzles will be special. When I fit the right piece together, I want them to make a happy sound like ding dong. If I put in the wrong piece, it will say boo boo. That will be funny. When I finish a puzzle, I want it to change into a cool 3D picture. If I make a puzzle of a yummy food, I want to smell it and see a 3D picture in front of me. Imagine smelling pizza or cookie. Yummy. If I make a puzzle of a tiger, I want to hear a big tiger roar. That will be so exciting! I could see the tiger jumping out in 3D. Wow, that will be so much fun! I hope future toys will be like this. Thank you for listening. I can't wait to see all the fun toys in the future. Bye bye.